Hello, my name is Grace, and today I'll be briefly showing you how to attach pockets to the sides of your own clothing by hand. Before we begin, this video primarily covers how to actually make the pocket, not how to stitch it on. To attach everything together, I used a backstitch, which I covered in my video on hemming. Check that out if you need a refresher on how to do the backstitch. Anyway, on to pockets. Since I've made a few pockets already, I've created a pocket pattern for myself. This is just a piece of paper with a flat side where the opening of the pocket will be, a flat side along the top, and a curve connecting those two. I roughly based my pattern off of a skirt that had a pocket I liked. However, you can also just guesstimate the shape. Just make sure that your hand and whatever other things you'd like to fit in your pocket do in fact fit. Use that shape to cut out two identical pieces of fabric. Don't worry too much about finding a fabric that matches your clothing. After all, once you finish, the pocket should be almost entirely hidden. It's most important to find a fabric that isn't too stretchy, so that it can hold the weight of the things you put in it. Once you have these fabric pieces, you can open up the side seam of your skirt or pants. I used a seam ripper to do this, but a pair of scissors will work just as well. The placement of this opening is entirely up to you. Placing the hole up against the waistband of the skirt or pants will make it easier to place the pockets at the same point on either side. But if you like them to be lower down, that'll work too. It's mostly just important to open up enough of the side seam to fit your hand through the hole. That's the whole point of a pocket after all. Now, with the skirt or pants the right way out, take one of the pocket pieces and line up the flat side of the pocket to the opening of the hole. Attach them together with a backstitch. Again, for an explanation of how to do that, see my video on hemming. Repeat that same step with the other pocket piece on the other side of the opening. Now, flip both pocket pieces inside the skirt or pants. At this point, you can see how the pockets will look from the outside. Flip the whole garment inside out. From here, backstitch the two pocket pieces together along that curved edge. Finally, attach both pocket pieces to the waistband of your skirt or pants. This will add stability to the pockets as well as closing up that last edge. If your pocket isn't close to the waistband, you can also secure it by attaching a piece of sturdy cotton to the outer corner of the pocket and then to the waistband. I don't have an example of this, so you'll just have to take my word for it. At this point, the pocket is functionally complete. However, if you'd like to finish off the edges of your pocket pieces, feel free to do so with a whip stitch, like the one I used in my hemming video. If you don't feel like more hand sewing, you can also use pinking shears to keep the edges from fraying. These scissors cut little triangles along the edge of your fabric. Again, it's entirely up to you. One little detail I do recommend doing is taking another bit of thread and making a couple of very secure stitches at the top and bottom of the pocket opening. These spots tend to experience more wear and tear. A few extra stitches can help to keep things together. And that's it. Hopefully now you should be able to add pockets to anything you want. If you have additional questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos on hemming and repairing holes. Signing off, Grace.